Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to show you how to easily add extensions to Safari on your Mac. First things first, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then select App Store. Once the App Store is open, we need to find the Safari Extensions section. Click on Categories in the left-hand menu, and then you'll see Safari Extensions. Click on that. Now you can browse all the available extensions. But if you're looking for something specific, use the search bar in the top left corner. Let's say we want to add AdGuard. Type AdGuard in the search bar. Okay, find the extension you're looking for, in this case, AdGuard for Safari. You can click on it to read more about it. When you're ready, click Get, and then Install. You might need to verify with Touch ID or your iCloud password. Once you do, the extension will start downloading and installing to Safari. After the installation, it should automatically activate. To double-check, go to your Safari browser. Click on Safari in the top menu bar, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Extensions tab. Here you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. You should see AdGuard, and it should be ticked, meaning it's activated. Bonus tip, if you want to uninstall an extension, just click on it in this list and then click the Uninstall button next to it. Alright, that's it. AdGuard is now installed, and you can browse the web with it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. This was based on my own experience, and you can find any relevant links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.